Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Cozy English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You're learning English, and that already means you're doing something good for yourself.
Yes, seriously. If no one told you this today, let us say it now. You're trying, and that matters.
And today's topic is very close to our hearts.
Yes, today we're talking about daily motivation, how to stay motivated in life, and how to talk about motivation in English.
Because learning English is not only about grammar, it's also about energy, confidence, and mindset.
But before we go deeper, quick reminder, friends. If you enjoy learning English with us, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more easy, natural English conversations.
All right, Jack, let me ask you something honestly.
Uh-oh, that sounds serious. Go ahead.
Do you feel motivated every day?
Short answer, no. Long answer, definitely no.
Same here, and I think this is very important for our listeners to hear.
Yes, motivation is not magic. It doesn't wake up with you every morning and say, "Good morning, let's be productive."
Exactly. Some mornings, motivation is still sleeping, and you're just standing there like, hello? Are you coming or not?
And this is where many learners feel bad about themselves. They think, why am I lazy? Why am I not motivated like others?
But the truth is, nobody feels motivated all the time.
Not students, not workers, not successful people.
Motivation goes up and down like a wave.
And that's okay.
Let's talk about daily motivation in real life. Jack, what motivates you on a normal day?
Small things, actually. For example, when I finish one small task, I feel good.
Yes, small wins are powerful.
Like answering emails, cleaning my desk, or finishing one English lesson.
I love that. Many people think motivation comes before action.
But often, action comes before motivation.
Exactly. You start doing something small, and motivation slowly follows.
This is very important for English learners.
Yes, many learners say, I will speak English when I feel confident.
But confidence comes after you speak, not before.
So, if you're waiting to feel motivated to speak English, you might wait forever.
Instead, speak a little even when you don't feel like it.
Just one sentence.
Even a simple one like, "Today I feel tired, but I'm practicing English."
That sentence alone is already motivation.
Let's teach our listeners some useful English phrases for daily motivation.
Great idea.
For example, you can say, "I'm trying my best. I'm taking it step by step. I don't feel perfect today, but I'm learning."
These sentences are simple but emotionally strong.
Here's another one I like. Progress is better than perfection.
Oh, that's a good one. Repeat that again slowly.
Progress is better than perfection.
Listeners, say it with us in your mind.
Because perfection kills motivation.
Yes, when you want everything perfect, you feel pressure.
And pressure makes learning heavy.
But motivation grows in a safe, friendly space.
Just like this podcast.
Exactly. Now, Jack, tell me, what do you do on days when you feel very unmotivated?
Honestly, I lower my expectations.
That's smart.
Instead of saying, "I must study English for 1 hour," I say, "I will study for 5 minutes."
And most of the time, 5 minutes becomes 10.
Yes, the hardest part is starting.
Let's connect this to English speaking.
Okay.
If you feel unmotivated to speak English, you can say, I will just speak for 1 minute.
Talk to yourself. Talk to your phone. Talk to the mirror.
Your mirror is very patient.
And it never corrects your grammar.
Another motivational trick is talking about your feelings in English.
Yes, for example, I feel stressed today. I feel excited about my future. I feel nervous but hopeful.
When you use English to describe real emotions, the language becomes alive.
It's not just words anymore, it's your life.
That's why daily motivation and English learning are connected.
Because when English helps you understand yourself, you want to use it more.
Let's do a small speaking challenge for our listeners.
Yes, I love challenges.
Listeners, choose one sentence and say it today. Today, I choose to try. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. I want to improve my English step by step.
Say it out loud if you can.
Even if your voice shakes a little, that's okay.
That means you care.
Jack, I think many learners believe motivation means feeling happy all the time.
Yes, but motivation can also be quiet.
Like showing up even when you're tired.
Or listening to one English podcast after a long day.
If you're listening right now, this is already motivation.
And we're proud of you for that.
Before we finish, let's remind our listeners of one important thing.
Your English journey is your own.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Don't rush.
Don't quit because of one bad day.
Motivation is built slowly, like a habit.
And habits change lives.
Friends, if this episode helped you even a little,
Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs motivation today.
and you can write in the comments, one thing that motivates me is,
We love reading your comments.
they remind us we're not alone.
All right, take care of yourself,
Keep speaking,
keep trying.
and remember, small steps are still steps.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.